Hey everyone, ever wondered if you can keep an aquarium in a chilly room, like your basement or office, without a heater? Absolutely. Not every fish needs tropical warmth. Some of the coolest species actually prefer it cold. Today, I'll show you 10 fish that thrive in unheated tanks, plus tips to keep them healthy and happy. If you want a low-maintenance, high-reward aquarium without the hassle of heaters, this is for you. Let's dive in. First up, white cloud mountain minnows. Tiny, shimmering, and perfect for beginners. They thrive in 60 to 72 degrees, love planted tanks, and look magical in groups of 6 or more. Feed them quality flakes and the occasional live or frozen treat to see their colors pop. They're hardy, peaceful, and a joy to watch. Next, zebra danios. Little striped torpedoes full of energy. They're hardy, thrive in 64 to 75 degrees, and love swimming in groups of 6 or more. A 20-gallon tank with open space is ideal, and they'll eat almost anything you offer. Their constant motion brings any tank to life. At number 3, rosy barbs, vivid, active, and perfect for a splash of color. Keep them in groups of 5 or more in a 30-gallon tank. They thrive in 60 to 75 degrees. They're omnivores, so offer flakes, veggies, and the occasional meaty treat. Just avoid pairing them with long-fin tank mates. Paradise fish are classic, hardy, and full of personality. They breathe air, tolerate 60 to 75 degrees, and do best solo or as a pair in a planted 20-gallon tank. Feed them a varied diet of flakes, pellets, and live foods. Their intelligence and color make them a standout choice. Goldfish. Think comet or shubunkin, not tiny bowls. They thrive in 50 to 70 degrees and need big tanks, 40 gallons for one, plus 20 per extra fish. Strong filtration is a must, and they love veggies and quality pellets. They're hardy, friendly, and can live for years with proper care. Consider them for large tanks or indoor ponds. Weather loaches or dojo loaches are playful bottom dwellers for 50 to 70 degree tanks. Keep them in groups of 3 or more with soft sand for burrowing. A 40-gallon tank with hiding spots is ideal. They're omnivorous scavengers and endlessly entertaining. The white cloud catfish is a peaceful shoaling bottom dweller for 60 to 72 degree tanks. Great with white cloud minnows, they love planted tanks and smooth substrate. Feed sinking pellets and supplement with live or frozen foods. They add a unique layer of activity to any cold water setup. Hill stream loaches look like mini UFOs and thrive in fast-flowing cool water 60 to 70 degrees. Set up a 20-gallon tank with strong currents, smooth rocks, and sandy substrate. They graze on algae and biofilm, so supplement with algae wafers and blanched veggies. Fascinating to watch, but they need specific conditions. Perfect for aquarists seeking a unique challenge. Koi are stunning, gentle giants for large indoor ponds or stock tanks. Think hundreds of gallons. They thrive in 50 to 70 degrees, need massive filtration, and love a varied diet of pellets, fruits, and veggies. They can be hand-fed and have big personalities, a major commitment but incredibly rewarding. Sticklebacks are small, hardy natives with fascinating breeding behavior. Keep them in a well-planted 20-gallon tank at 50 to 70 degrees. Feed live or frozen foods for best health and color. Their nest building and courtship are a true spectacle. From shimmering minnows to majestic koi, cold water fish offer endless possibilities. You don't need a heater for a vibrant, rewarding aquarium, just the right species and setup. Let this inspire your next project in that chilly room you thought was off limits. Like, subscribe, and share which fish you're most excited to try. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Let me know if you need further assistance or information.